Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a fraction question and you've got to work out 1, take away some value here, and the answer has got to be 7/10. This is worth 1 mark in the exam. Now your key fact. The easiest way to do this question is to draw yourself out a little diagram to help you see what is going on. So see if you can draw out a diagram, see if you can work out what diagram will help you work out what missing value is. And then I'll show you how to do it with the diagram and without the diagram. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Great work, hopefully you've managed to come up with an answer. Now this is quite a tricky question. So we have got 7/10. So because the denominator here is 10, we're going to draw out 10 sections. So I've got 2 across and 5, so 5 times 2 is 10. So I've got 10 sections here. Now I've got 1 take away something leaves me with 7/10. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What have I taken away to leave me with an answer of 7/10? Now that sum is actually the same as doing 1 take away 7/10. So if I do 1, whole 1, take away this value here, 7/10, okay, the answer is what is remaining. So you can see there are 1, 2, 3 squares remaining. So that is 3/10. So that's the answer that needs to go in here. So it's like swapping the answer box and the 7 and 10 over. So you've got 1 take away 7/10. Remember 1 whole 1 is 10/10. So 10 take away 7 is 3. The denominator stays the same. You can see it easily with a diagram. Give yourself a big tick if you got 3/10. Great work, well done. Now the mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 3/10 for 1m, which means 1 method mark. It says it accepts decimal equivalents. So for example, 0.3 is acceptable. But if the question is in terms of fractions, give your answer in terms of what the question is given in. So you were given a fraction question, give your answer as a fraction. If it was a decimal question, give your answer as a decimal. If you wrote 30%, you would not get any marks. So it says do not accept 30%. So there will be no marks for writing 30%. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.